Flakes can help you to really jazz up a design in an easy way. So I'm starting off with this muted purple, kind of mauvey shade, and we're going to use the sparse method on this nail. I'm going to add some silver flakes, nail art flakes, and now these are different to your silver foil, they are different to your silver leaf, because these are super flat, they just stick to the nail. So I'm using a old brush that I have, and this used to be like one of those petal brushes. Used to be really nice before I ruined it with acetone. So any brush that's got a little bit of like fluff to it, but it's small. Grab some flakes, and we're going straight into the inhibition layer of the gel. And I'm going to be really delicate with how I apply these. I want it to be sparse on the nail. I want it to just add something extra to the design, but not cover the lovely mauve base that we've created. Now, if your gel doesn't have much of an inhibition layer, some flakes will still stick to it, a little bit like chrome, but it's best to have that inhibition layer, then you're sure it's going to really stick to it and be nice and flat. So if yours doesn't have much of an inhibition layer, then pop on a layer of base coat, and that will definitely be sticky. Cure that in the lamp, and then when it comes out, just pop those little flakes all over. So I don't want to overdo it, I'm just adding it so it's all over the nail, but in a very sparse kind of way. So that's why I'm using the little brush. The little fluffy brush is going to only apply a few flakes here and there, and then once you're happy with that, pop on a layer of matte top coat. Yes, you heard that right, matte top coat. Why? Because it's going to give it a different kind of look than the shiny one will. So here you can see what it would look like if it was shiny. So if you just left it like this, it's still very pretty, but just watch the magic happen once you've cured that matte top coat. Look at that, it's gorgeous. It just adds something special to the design. I hope you enjoyed this, and I can't wait to see your creations.